Hey, it's Mark with your 1-minute mobile tip for the day. Today we're going to talk about spraying your arm. Not this arm, but the arm of your mobile. In fact, we're going to be talking about not spraying it. When I first started doing mobiles, I realized that every time that I sprayed the blade with paint, I ended up getting overspray on the arm, and I didn't much care for that. I initially used tape to try to protect it, but then once it was applied, it was almost impossible to remove. So I came across, after lots of trial and error, Clean Edge. Clean Edge is a painter's paper that is sticky on one side and not sticky on the other. So it doesn't create a super strong bond, which is great when you're trying to get it off. So all I do before I paint and prime is I apply that tape right on there, right up against the edge of the blade, and it protects that part of the blade from overspray. So as you can see, a little bit of overspray on there, all protected. Sometimes, however, there'll be a little bit of paint that seeps through right at the edge, and all I do is I take a blade at that point and give it a little scrape right up against the edge of the blade and clean it up. And if need be, I'll take a little 220 grit sandpaper, give it a nice rub, and you have a paint-free arm. Hope this helps keeping your mobiles looking good, and I will be back with another tip soon.